This lot here has a lot of employee parking and visiting parking, and you know, you got to be aware of your surroundings. I got people working, and there's buildings. I normally definitely understand my whole lot before I do start plowing. Early this morning there was quite a bit of snow, and I'll show you what I usually do for my cut-in. I usually try to stay at least almost a snow pusher width away from my building or parked cars. It's something that I like to start off. Like I say, I'm bringing it down. I kind of know my pusher. I touch the toes a little bit of my shoes. And what's nice with this one, it's got kind of a neutral feel to it. So, but other than that, the cut-in, I stay away from, like I say, almost a pusher leg. And this will be my first cut-in with a heavy snow, which will help me not put the snow against the buildings and the cars, so I can get them away from the cars. And you always got to be aware of your surroundings. There's always people things going on at all lots. So what I'll try to do is that I can actually take a clean cut closer to the building, so I'm not building up snow against the side of the building. Right now they did do some salting, so I don't want to take all the salt away. So I'm not going to get too close here. But you get the idea. I mean, and it's just normal understanding your lot and how you can get most of your snow to your dedicated pile.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified when the latest videos come out. You can also click the link down in the video description to be taken to snowpusher.com, where you can see our full product line, find your local dealer, and find other valuable information. As always, thanks for using ProTech.